One of the most powerful piece of content you can have on your website is a video testimonial. Testimonials create what is commonly referred to as social proof. Proof that your product or service works for real people in the real world. It has been proven that customer reviews helps you build trust, authority, and ultimately get your more sales. The problem is, collecting testimonials can be tedious. In fact, it's hard enough to motivate your customers to take some time to leave you a written review. So when you ask your customers to record a video review for you, it's going to be a struggle, even if your service has been nothing short of amazing. But this was until today and our new video testimonial breakthrough technology. Start making your website work for you at collecting reviews 24/7, thanks to this new system for 2019 and beyond. Here's how it works. 1. Add the review widget to your website in less than 30 seconds, we can do it for you. 2. Offer a small incentive to get your buyers to record a video review for your business. 3. Buyers can record the review on their mobile phone or desktop and submit it instantly to you. 4. Approve the reviews for use on your website, and you are done. This is the perfect solution to get you more customers by sharing positive video reviews about your business on your website and even on social media. So start getting more reviews and more customers today. Click on the link below to learn more about our video testimonial service now.